Hi everyone! Today's screencast is an application presentation on the website called BrainPOP. Now to get to BrainPOP, you'll have to type in the URL www.brainpop.com. When you get to BrainPOP, this is the page that you are presented with. As you can see, there are many different subjects to choose from here. If you scroll down, you can see BrainPOP's topic of the day here, and today it's surface area. So there are different things to choose from here that you can click on and look at. This is information for the adults, whether it be teachers or parents. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give an example here. We're going to click on one of the subjects, which is science. When you click on a subject, you are presented with many different units here. Now, if you click on a unit, you are now here, you see a whole bunch of topics within that unit. So we're going to click on a topic and show you what it does. Now, I will say that if I try to click play on the video, it will prompt you to either log in or create an account here. So, of course, if you don't have a login, you've never used this website, you can subscribe. I will say that it is free. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, BrainPOP is very, very useful in the classroom as well as at home. Now, if there are any parents out there that would like to do some extra work at home, this is a great way to get your child engaged. And the videos are at most maybe 2 minutes and 30 seconds. They're not very long at all. So it'll grab your child's attention for a small amount of time there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's free and it's very useful in the classroom and at home. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.